hello, hello, hey, hello, 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 hey, hello.
Guys, so it's me, Aggie, also known as Sassy Aggie. I'm here to share with you guys a treatment that I did in my hair. I'm gonna turn around and just see the back. So I've been natural for almost since 2013. So it's almost been 7 years. We're in 2020. And I know everybody is at home. We're in quarantine. I live in New York City. And so we've been home for almost 2 months. So I figured let me just start bringing more content to my YouTube video. On here on my YouTube, I like to share about beauty, makeup, hair, weaves, wigs, whatever it is that has to do with being beautiful. And I just like to share what I do with myself, whether it's skin products, hair products, whatever it might be. I just like to share that. Later on, I feel like I'm going to give you guys a video, like an interview kind of video, telling you guys more about me and my life and where I'm coming from and where I'm trying to go and things of that sort. I'm trying to, get my subscribers more, in tune about me and, just to get a feel of where I'm coming from so they can relate to what I'm trying to do here. So sharing all things beauty, I did a treatment, which is an avocado treatment. I did a blend of avocado, olive oil, you'll see in the video, all that good stuff. And then also a rice water treatment to my hair because I had a protective hairstyle, box braids. I took it out after 2 months. I had it in from February to March. So like 2 months and a half because we're in the middle of April. And, my hair was very, very dirty. And I know like after I do protective hairstyle, I usually do a deep conditioner treatment with oil treatment as well. I sit underneath the head dryer with that for like 30 minutes and then I wash it out because after you have protective hairstyles in your hair, you want to make sure that your hair regains that moisture to your hair, especially if you're a natural hair person. You know that your hair gets very, very dry. There's different type of hair types. I'm a 4C. You can Google or take they have like different type of tests online to see, what your hair type is. I'm a 4C. My hair gets very dry and brittle. It breaks easily. So I tend to do a lot of treatments to retain the moisture in my hair well, especially when I don't blow dry it. I usually blow dry my hair. After I wash it and everything and condition it, and I blow dry it because I just like the way it falls after it blow dry, and it's easier for me to take care of when it's blow dry. Trim, but I don't recommend straightening your hair. Me and my daughter, we have been natural. I've never put any chemicals in my daughter's hair. She's been natural all her life. I've been natural, for 7 years, and I've only did a heat straightener, like a silk press, twice. I could say 3 times. So that's 3 times in 7 years. And I just recently, since last year, 2019, I started blow drying my hair every now and then. I don't do it every time, but I do it most times because I feel like it's a little bit easier for me. But I realized that after blow drying it all the time, that my hair texture did change a little bit. So I feel like these treatments really, really is important for me because I always put heat. You have to treat your hair like it needs a lot of love and care when you're natural. So this is the aftermath as I showed you guys. And I kind of really like it. So stay tuned and see how I did this treatment. And don't forget to subscribe. I need you guys to get in tune and hit the notification button below to get notified when I put up new videos. And trust me, since we're in quarantine, this COVID-19 is not stopping anything. We're about to have a lot of content coming up. Girl, stay tuned. Bye. Gazi.
start with an avocado, an egg. I have a mason jar that I had got from Dollar Tree. And I have the aloe vera. I already digged it out, blended it, and put it into my container, and extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to put all of the ingredients into a blender. I use half of an avocado. I save the other half, like after I took out the guts, I save half of it. You want to save the one with the seed in the middle to keep it more fresh. And I noticed that putting the skin of the avocado that you used already on top of the one with the seed, it keeps it more fresher and green, besides opposed to putting it in a storage bag. So there goes the aloe vera. I didn't use like a whole aloe vera. I used like some of it. And I eye leveled the extra virgin olive oil, and I blended that for like about 10 seconds, not that long. The aloe vera, I did a lot with the aloe when I cut it open. I had made aloe water, I had made aloe oil, and then I saved the rest. So there goes the concoction. I used a funnel, which I got from Dollar Tree as well, to pour into the mason jar, which makes it much more easier and less messy. I had used the fruit smoothie option on the blender, and I didn't really like how it made it so foamy on top. So next time when I do it, I'm just going to put it on post and just do it to my liking until it's blend, and that's it. But there goes my concoction. And here I am. So my hair is such a mess. I just took out box braids that I had in for almost 2 months. As you can see, my hair is so dirty. It is dirty. So I decided to do this treatment, and I feel like there goes my rice water. Yeah, I made the white rice water. I will be doing a video on how I make my rice water, which is so easy. But I feel like, I should just share everything that I make with you guys, because, we're all on quarantine time and we have a lot of time on our hands. So I'm available to share that with you guys. So I section my hair off into 8 sections, 4 in the back, 4 in the front. And then I'm going to spray the rice water on my hair. This is my first time using the rice water and using this method. I've heard a lot of good things about it. So I decided to, let me try this for like a couple of months and see how my hair growth takes to it, and it's also my first time using the avocado concoction as well. And I just feel like using natural ingredients on my hair, it wouldn't hurt if it doesn't work. So hey, what is it? Like we don't even know how many days we have in this quarantine. So I decided to try it. So right there, I'm detangling it after I sprayed the rice water in the hair, and then I just add the concoction. I'm gonna show you how the consistency is with the avocado, egg, olive oil, and aloe vera, and it's very gooey, as you can see. So yeah, I think it should have been a little bit more thick, but I liked it. It's stuck. I would rather put like the whole avocado to make it just more thick, to give it more of a stick on my hair. But it was a little bit loose. I didn't like how loose it was, but it was okay though. It worked. So I'm just gonna add that from the roots, and then down to the ends. I know you hear my 1-year-old in the background. He is a mess. So just ignore that. I have a little crybaby on my hand. So yeah, I work it through. I make sure even when you put the rice water, you want to work it into your scalp. And also when you put the concoction, you want to work it into your scalp because that's the most important part, and also your ends. And then I comb through it. And this time I'm going to put it in braids. Usually when I'm washing my hair, I put it in twisties, 2-strand twists, but I decided to braid it this time because I wasn't going to do anything with my hair anyway, because like I said, we're on quarantine time and there's not much I can do with my hair. So I wasn't going to take out the braids right away. So I decided to just braid it anyway and just wash my hair like that. Yeah. So I'm going to do another section to show you guys how I do this thing with the rice water. And I'm not going to show you like my whole head, me doing my whole head, because I feel like it's just redundant. Like you just repeat the same thing on each section. So I'm just going to do one more section, and then I'll be back after I wash my hair. Oh, so right here, right there, as you can see, according to my face, I do not like these. These are dead ends. And when you do protective hairstyle, like box braids, or if you braid your hair down and you have your hair braided down for a long time, whatever it may be, crochet, weave, when you take it out, your hair is supposed to shed, but not a lot of shedding, but it's normal for your hair to shed and get dead ends like these. And I'm going to show you in a little bit how I get these things out. So as I'm finishing up here with my second section, I'm going to go through the rest of my hair. But I just want to share with you guys the benefits of using these ingredients in your hair. Avocado, aloe vera, and olive oil and eggs. They all help with great conditioning. Avocado strengthens your hair follicle while providing moisture for shine, and it also stimulates growth. Aloe vera repair dead skin cells on scalp. great conditioner, leaves hair smooth and shiny, promotes hair growth, prevents itchy scalp, and reduces dandruff. Olive oil is also a great conditioner as well. Improves circulation and blood in the scalp. Egg promotes hair growth, good for dry and breakage in the hair. Improves elasticity and conditions and shine. As for the rice water, it just helps the hair grow faster, and it also has vitamin B, C, and E, which also helps with hair growth. So I just thought I'll share that so that you guys would know, the benefits of these ingredients, using it on a daily basis for hair growth, conditioning, and, shining and keeping your hair strong and healthy. So as you can see right here, I'm cutting the ends like I told you guys before. This is what I do for the split ends that I have after I have a protective hairstyle, or when I just want to trim my hair. So I just cut the ends that are thin, and after I wash this out, I also clip it a little bit more, like not too much, but just, a little inch. I'll show you here, just a little bit. And I don't know about you guys, but I have this superstition stuff that I need to flush my hair. So yeah. So trimming my hair on the regular is something that I like to do. And I'm just gonna put a plastic bag over my hair. I forgot that I needed to clip it up. So I had to clip some of the braids up, put the plastic bag over my hair. I think I left it on for about like 20 to 30 minutes, and then I washed it out. Washing it out, I really, really washed it out, because I heard that if you don't wash it out good enough, your hair will be stink because of the eggs and everything. So I gave it about 2 washes, conditioner, and then I put in leave conditioner. And I'll be back with my after results. And I'm back. So this is like the next day after I washed my hair out good. I left in the leave-in conditioner. I also oiled my scalp. I never took the braids out. I just left the braids in and washed it and oiled it. Actually, I did. I took the braids out. I put in the leave-in conditioner. I did another detangling with the oil that I just shown. This oil is made of coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, and aloe. I made the aloe oil with it, and I'll do a video on that. So I'm just rubbing it throughout the hair now. Like I said before, I'm not taking out these braids because we are on quarantine time, and I'm really not going anywhere until probably whenever I need some supplies. So I left the braids in my hair like this. I might take it out later, I don't know. I'm just showing you guys how clean my hair got, like my scalp is all clean, my hair is cleaned out. I do have 4C hair, so my hair is really kinky coily. And yeah, so that's the end result, and hope you guys like what you've seen. Follow my pages, Sassy Aggie, Facebook, Aggie Sassy Aggie, Instagram, Twitter, Snap, Sassy Aggie. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that you'll get notified for my next videos. Bye.
Allez, transpire, les mains en l'air, allez, transpire.